Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can toy around with already implemented stuff like pictures and text in layers at Photopea. When you basically already implement the stuff and you press accept or approve the implementation of the project, you straight away can't rotate it, or when you implement the image you can't rotate it again like this. You can move it, but you can't resize it or anything. If you want to do that, we have to click on top of top of your screen and click on transform controls. Once you click on transform controls, straight away you will have your text or image squared out, and you can basically move it as much as you like. You can twist it upside down. You can also go with the other one like this, and now you are playing with Hello YouTube. You can move it as you like, and then again confirm your actions, and you see it's a little bit shaky. So that's about it guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.